Really, guys, that's really all I got today. It just keeps getting better. I don't even care what I look like in this video. I know yesterday I told you I was going to hop back in and let you know how things went, and I had really good feeling. I'm pretty sure thought we were going to get a lot done. Please. Say a little prayer. Maybe we'll still be in here. I might just burn the place down. You don't know. How you doing?
Well, you can't put a Band-Aid on it until it stops bleeding, so.
You can't put a Band-Aid on it until it stops bleeding. Good morning, sunshines. I have like zero footage from yesterday. And I am as tired as I sound. This hair though, wow. I went to bed last night with wet hair, can you tell? That's because I took a shower and absolutely just passed out. So, what happened yesterday? Not much. Most of the day was spent traveling to and from the hardware store, getting the parts that we needed to fix the problems that we keep encountering. It was all about plumbing yesterday. Now, mind you, you're like, well, if you did plumbing, why is there still all of this weird stuff here all over the place? Sir and ma'am, let me tell you, it's not as easy as it looks. Please remember, we are dealing with untrained professionals. Untrained professionals? We don't know what we're doing. I also have somebody coming to help me today to relocate this guy right here. He's going to move, hopefully, over here. I say hopefully because that is the plan, and Lord, what am I doing with this hair? It's too short to put in a ponytail. It's absolutely unmanageable. We're hoping to move the outlet today. The wife comes back in less than a week, which means I have less than a week to finish this project. In between working, sick cat, and everything else. Really, guys, that's really all I got today. It just keeps getting better. I don't even care what I look like in this video. I know yesterday I told you I was going to hop back in and let you know how things went, and I had really good feeling. I'm pretty sure thought we were going to get a lot done. Please. Welcome back. We're in the kitchen. No, we're not. We're in the bathroom. I'm on the floor. We're plumbing. But look at the light. We did a light today.
How cute is that?
We did the wall today.
And the wall.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful. I love it.
Mm-hmm. It is beautiful.
We have to fix the crookedness of the light. We're working on that. It's the next step.
Probably didn't even have to say
Probably
that.
didn't even notice. Don't worry. Pretend I didn't say it.
Sink over there?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what is this guy?
I was going to ask you the same thing. I don't like the looks of
It's
that.
a tampon dispenser.
I don't even know. What is that?
It's a screwdriver.
It's the cheapest looking screwdriver I've ever seen in my life. It's
It's a nut.
It's a wrench.
Mm-hmm.
That is a wrench, people.
Plastic wrench.
All right. It's a lot of... Don't we have one of these already?
That might go for the actual faucet.
Oh. Boy. There's a lot of instructions. It's fine. But we don't need this either.
That's bigger, isn't it?
We're not switching it out because we would have to buy new
No,
plumbing.
certainly not.
So just go ahead and take that right out of your hand and put it away.
Nice.
Yeah, we're not
It
going.
is real nice.
We're not getting more plumbing.
I wouldn't need all new plumbing.
Okay. Anyways, we're not doing it.
So, after going to the store 923 times, we think we have the right parts to fix the sink. Only to find out we have the wrong hoses to complete the sink. And we're really just kind of tired of the fact that we haven't been able to get anything done. So we're gonna work on maybe a more fun project, which is attempting to use our new glass cutter to cut the mirror to make some new mirrors for that bathroom. Okay guys, let me give you some context here real fast of what's going on. The large bathroom mirror that you saw them take down, they're going to try to turn into 2 smaller mirrors. My wife went to IKEA, found 2 very simple, inexpensive frames, and we're going to try to turn them into mirrors. But as with every project in this remodel, it doesn't go exactly as planned. But I don't want to spoil it for you, so keep watching as this process continues on. Because, well, we like to do things the hard way. Slide this way.
Okay.
It's got to go on the back though. Okay? And then I would apply pressure on this side, right? And you would snap that side.
Should we clamp it?
Shouldn't we?
Or we do that right there.
Did you see that, people? That was amazing! To get the template for the mirror, they simply just took the little paper insert or plastic insert that was inside the frame and are using that as their template. The cutting tool they got off of Amazon, and as you can see, it does work very well. They simply score the mirror, bring it to the edge of the workstation, and pop it to make it break. Well, it sort of works great. I can't do it.
She's afraid of it.
I'm like,
You're afraid of it?
I don't want to break it. Yeah, that's the part I'm like, I can't do it. Whew, all right, let's see if this works. It's been like this all weekend, just so you know. Literally all weekend. And what's crazy is my wife calls and she wants to know what I'm doing, how things are going. And what I want to say is, you're coming home to a demolition zone and I don't know what to tell you about it. I'm done. Do you know we've been to the store 923 times today to try to get one sink working? And it's not working because we have everything we need, except we bought the wrong hoses. But we've already been to the store 5 gazillion times, and I don't want to go back. And I'm just like, screw it. Let's go work on a project I'm pretty sure we'll be able to make some headway with. We're not making much headway. So I should probably let you know that Bathroom Reno was a fail. We'll see what happens when she gets home, but at this point, I really don't know. The plumbing's not done. I think the toilet's done. Did Melissa finish the toilet? The toilet works. We have a toilet. Sink doesn't work. Bunch of ship left to do. Not sure where we're going with it. But we'll come back next time. Say a little prayer. Maybe we'll still be here. I might just burn the place down. You don't know. How you doing?
Well, you can't put a Band-Aid on it until it stops bleeding, so.
You can't put a Band-Aid on it until it stops bleeding. We'll catch you guys next time.